I thought I'd touch briefly on water reduction. I mean, obviously at the moment with the rain, you might think, do we really need to reduce water use too much? There's a lot of water coming out of the sky at the moment, but as I'm sure you all know, in the summer more and more we're seeing the droughts, the hosepipe bans, the cost of water going up. It's something it's a really precious commodity ultimately. We really need to make sure we're looking after it. So we've been working for many years at Whitbread on reducing water, and actually we were the first, I think, in hospitality industry to get a self-supply licence. That means that we work directly with wholesalers, so East Anglian Water, Thames Water, South Western Water, and we've kind of bypassed the retailers, and that allows us to have some really interesting collaborations, partnerships, and trials of new technology where we both input resource into these projects. So for example, fitting waterless urinals across all the hotels in that area, or putting in low flow showers, and we get a lot of really good data from that, as well as shared resources ultimately from them. So we've really been working on this for a long time. So you can see some of the ways that we do reduce water through those partnerships and collaboration. We do a lot of internal water auditing and are always measuring our water use in all of our sites. We've got a really strong leak detection and repair and maintenance programme that goes on across the estate. And as I said, we're putting in a lot of water saving technology. And just last year we decided to formalise all this work into a kind of publicly facing target. So we announced we were going to reduce water use by 20% per sleeper by 2030. And that's something that we're really pleased that we're currently seeing a 10% reduction. This is on a base year of 2019-20. So that 10% is across about 3 years. And you can see just in the last year we've put over 30,000 shower heads and tap connectors, which have helped us to kind of push that forward. So yeah, and actually it's really interesting because when we reduce water, we therefore have to heat less water for our guests, and we see a reduction in the gas usage that we use as well. So we save water, we save on carbon, and we save on our gas and water bills. So it's a really kind of exciting piece of work.